With the entry of Ola and Simple One electric scooters, Indian vehicle users got a special interest on electric vehicles. So, let's see some of the most awaited upcoming electric vehicles in India. At number 10, Mahindra EKU V100. The EKU V100 is the most affordable electric SUV once it's launched in India. Coming to the electric car specs, the EKU V100 has a claimed range of 150 kilometers with a 15.9 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. It gets power from a 40 kW electric motor. The top speed of this electric car is 120 km per hour. It supports both DC fast charging and AC slow charging. The electric car is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2022 with a price tag of 8.5 lakh rupees. At number 9, Surge 10K. Surge 10K is India's first geared electric bike. This electric bike is expected to launch in October 2021. The range of Surge 10K with 3 battery packs is 450 km. Its top speed is 120 km per hour with a motor capacity of 5 kW. It gets power from a 3.1 kWh detachable lithium-ion battery pack. Its charging time is 3 hours 20 minutes with a slow charger and 1 hour with a DC fast charger. The showroom price of Surge 10K starts from 1.35 lakh rupees. At number 8, TVS Crayon. TVS Crayon is the most awaited electric scooter from TVS Motors. This electric scooter is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2022. The range of TVS Crayon is 80 km with a top speed of 115 km per hour. Its rated power is 4.4 kW with a motor peak power of up to 10 kW. The electric scooter supports fast charging which can be fully charged in 1 hour, whereas the battery capacity is 4 kWh. The ex-showroom price of TVS Crayon is 1.3 lakh rupees. At number 7, Suzuki Bergman Electric. The Suzuki Bergman Street is a high-performance electric scooter which offers the power of a 125cc petrol scooter. The electric scooter is estimated to launch in December 2021. The scooter expected specifications are 85 km per hour top speed, 100 km of range, charging time of 4 to 5 hours. Its expected price is 1.2 lakh rupees. At number 6, Hero MotoCorp Electric Scooter. Hero MotoCorp's first ever electric scooter, also one of the most awaited electric vehicles in India due to its brand value. Its specifications are not revealed yet, but the electric scooter looks aerodynamic in terms of design, powerful in terms of performance, going to rival with Ather 450X, Ola and Simple One, etc. At number 5, Maruti WagonR Electric. This electric car is expected to launch in the first half of 2022. The range of WagonR Electric is 200 km with a top speed of 120 km per hour. It supports both DC fast charging and AC slow charging. The expected price of Maruti WagonR Electric is 9 lakh rupees. At number 4, Tesla Model 3. This electric car is expected to launch in the first half of 2022. The range of Tesla Model 3 is 500 km. Its top speed is 260 km per hour with a battery capacity of 60 kWh. With a Tesla super fast charger, it can be charged in 30 minutes. The motor peak power is 258 kW. It has a torque of 493 Newton meters. Finally, the expected price of Tesla Model 3 is 55 to 60 lakh rupees. At number 3, Tork T6X. Tork T6X is India's first electric motorcycle built on 7 years of research and development. The motorcycle can be 80% charged in 1 hour and the top speed of this electric bike is 100 km per hour. It can offer a range of 100 km. It comes with 4.3-inch TFT touchscreen display for ride analytics and GPS for navigation. The estimated price of Tork T6X is 1.2 lakh rupees. It is expected to launch in the first half of 2022. At number 2, Ultraviolette F77. F77 is the most awaited performance electric bike in India. It is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2022. The range of Ultraviolette F77 is 150 km with a top speed of 147 km per hour. Its slow charging time is 5 hours and fast charging time is 1.5 hours. The expected price of Ultraviolette F77 is 3 lakh rupees. At number 1, Tata Altroz EV. It is the most awaited electric vehicle in India. This electric car design is same as the Tata Altroz petrol version, except the fuel tank and engine are replaced with battery pack and a PMSM motor. Coming to the electric car specifications, the Altroz EV top speed is 120 km per hour and a range of 300 km on a full charge with an extended range variant of 500 km. The estimated price of Altroz EV starts from 12 lakh rupees and goes up to 15 lakh rupees. The electric car is expected to launch in the first half of 2022. So comment your favorite upcoming electric vehicle in India. Go green, go electric.